Good morning, grade 2. Welcome back. This is another lesson in math. This is week 7, lesson number 5. Today we are doing something called measuring length. What do I mean by length and what do I mean by measure? Measure is when you want to find maybe either the height, the length, or the width or something. Okay? And the length is to measure how tall or short something is. Length is a measure for distance, okay? Or how long or short something is. Let's find out more about this so you can understand better. We use a ruler to find the length of any item. We use a ruler to find the length of any item. Let's say this is my ruler, okay? First, any ruler has small writing in it, starting from 0 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on. So, between each number and number, we have 10 centimeters. We have 1 centimeter, 2 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 5 centimeters. We measure length in something called centimeters. Is the distance between each two. Each two numbers is 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. And this is how we write centimeter. It's sa and ma. And instead of writing centimeters, we just write it this way. Okay? So if I want to find how long this marker is, we simply use what? A ruler. Put it here, and you have to always start from this 0 and you count on. I will put the ruler here and I will just read from the 0 till here. Okay, this is how you measure something. If I want to measure the length of this paper, I will simply put the ruler here and count on. Okay, so we use a ruler for measurement, and between each two numbers we call it centimeters, and this is how we measure things. Look at this page. I have 4 lines. Okay, I have line A, B, C, and D. I want to find the length of each line, or I want to measure the length of each line. Simply, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get my ruler, place the 0 on one of the points. Place the 0 from here, okay? And then I will count on from the 0 till the end of the line. Here and here, the last drop here, or the last point of the line, I read it 14. That means line A is 14. Okay, the first column here you have to estimate. You have to estimate means you have to figure out by looking, only looking. First, if I look to number A, I will say maybe it's around 10, right? And when you measure it, you will get a different number. So now let's estimate in the second one, that's the one after that, and the last one. So let's find line B. From line B here, you're looking. How much or how length is it you're gonna think? If the first one is 14, I will say this is probably 13. I said that line B is 13. I estimated it's 13. Let's find out if it's 13 or not. You put the 0 and the last point. So my last point here and the 0 here, I found it 11. So that means my estimating was wrong, right? The actual measurement is 11. Okay? Let's estimate line C. Line C, I will say it's 15. I will say 15. But let's find out if it's 15 or not. I will put the 0 from the first point and to the end of the point. The end point here at 17. That means I estimated again wrong. That means the correct one is 17. This one was my opinion about it before I measure it, okay? The last line is line D. Line D, I would say it's only 3. I said line D is 3. So let's say C, if it's 3 or more or less, I will put the ruler from the first point 0 and to the last point, and it is 6. That means I even estimated wrong. So now let's find out, let's read these questions and answer them. It says, which line is the shortest? Look here, you have 14, 11, 17 and 6. Which line is the shortest? Of course it's line D. Line D is the shortest. Which line is the longest? You have 14, 12 and 17. The longest means the bigger one. That means it's going to be 17. Okay, or line C. Okay, line C is 17. Here line D is only 3. So order from long to short. From long I would say C and then A because it's from long to short. 17, 14, 11 and the last one is 6. Okay, so this is if you only have things are on the paper, you can measure them fine. So can we measure some items? And what I say by items is everything around you, as in pencil, your phone, your board, your bag. Can I find the length of it? Of course. So I have here, I want to find the measurement of this pencil. I will simply put it and get my ruler, place the 0 from one point and the pencil on the other tip. So the one point here from 0 till here read 17. That means the pencil is 17. This time let's add centimeters. Okay, so the pencil is 17 centimeters. The next one says spoon. Let's find the length of this spoon. We'll put the spoon here and then we get the pencil, the ruler, sorry. You place the ruler from this point 0 to the last point here, it is 14. My spoon is 14 centimeters. Okay, so we have phone. I have this phone. I want to find the length of the phone. I will put it here and I will read. I have here 0 till 15. My phone is 15 centimeters. Okay, the last one is pocket or a wallet. I want to find the length of this wallet. I will put the ruler from the first point here 0 till at the end it is 17. I found it, 17 centimeters. That means the pencil and the pocket are closely each other. Okay, they are the same length. Okay, so this is how you measure items and this is how you measure everything around you using your ruler to find it. Okay, so right now I want you to do your homework. It's in math workbook, of course, page 27 and 29, and then upload your work in the app. Okay, thank you very much guys for listening. See you next lesson and bye.